sleeves and get your hands in there and just get it all gooey. Come on. Bill, pull up his hands. Pull up his sleeves and put his hands in there. No.
Are you carving a pumpkin?
Now I gotta rinse them off. Use a pumpkin seed soap.
It's okay. Dig it out. Dig all that stuff out of the middle of that pumpkin.
Travis, go like this. Get in here, grab all this, pull it out. And then get some more. Bill, get me on this. I'm washing my hands. Use some pumpkin seed soap. And then I'm going to rinse them.
This is a great way to do this.
Don't hit it too hard or it might break.
You see that it's still soapy. Say, wring it off. And it's still soapy. Now you have your clean hands.
I'll help him when I
Bill, I hope you don't mind your pumpkin so greasy. How's this?
Looks good.
Let me see, Kim.
Let's eat it.
Let me see. No, do mine.
Bring it over here.
And I'll do his. I'll help you, Travis, okay? Because you're not getting much out, okay? Mom.
This is fun. Ooh, you're gross. Slime. Feed us slime. I'm carving another pumpkin.
Wait a second, Travis, okay?
Do you have lights to go on in these?
Not yet. Oh, yeah, I think we got some candles we can put
Should
in
I put
there.
my hand in there?
Whatever you want to do, don't get it on your shirt though, because it'll probably stain it.
I think it's stew. I've been waiting for days to do this. I want to see this, Bill. I do. Are you gonna get Carrot and
Ooh,
Stick?
pumpkin seeds.
Get the movie on Travis on Halloween?
Yeah.
Are y'all going to make
Everybody.
pumpkin pie?
I'm gonna be a black cat or a pumpkin.
What are you going to be, Kim? Brandy?
Either a waitress or cheerleader.
What are you going to be, Travis?
Bumblebee or a Ninja Turtle?
Or Bart Simpson.
Oh, at Warwolves in the mall, they have a Bart Simpson costume for him.
Little guy?
Yeah.